Hi friends, welcome to our new video on employment news for mechanical engineers. Every Monday we will upload new employment videos here. In this video series, we are giving informations about government jobs, private jobs and apprenticeship trainings for mechanical engineers. This week we are included 10 government job notifications, 5 private job notification and 2 apprenticeship trainings. Most of the opportunities in this video are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. First is government jobs. In government job, first job is scientist or engineer at a Liquid Propulsion System Center LPSC ISRO. LPSC is the lead center for development and realization of Earth to orbit advanced propulsion stages for launch vehicles and also in the space propulsion system for spacecraft. LPSC is vested with the responsibility of design, development, and system engineering of high performance space propulsion system employing Earth orbital and cryogenic propellants for ISRO's launch vehicle and satellites. The LPSC activities and facilities are spread across its two campuses, LPSC headquarters and design offices at Valiamala, Tirunduram, and spacecraft propulsion system unit at LPSC, Bangalore or Karnataka. This is a fresher type job, no experience required for this job, and salary for this job is 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus allowances. Upper age limit is 35 years. How to apply? Applications will be received only through online from 27th October to 9th November. Interested candidates may go through the website www.lpsc.gov.in for detailed information and filling up online application form from October 27 onwards. We are uploading this video on 26th October, so please note that website for application will be open on 27th October onwards only. Next is various posts through IBPS, Institute of Banking Personnel. IBPS has been decided to reopen the registration window for common recruitment process and invite applications for online examination, preliminary and main for various posts by releasing the supplementary advertisement in continuation to the detailed advertisement published early. This process is only for the applicants who could not register successfully on early advertisement time. It is not a technical job, but there are thousands of vacancies are available on banks through IBPS, and most of the posts are getting to engineers only due to their ability to solve and crack exam than other degree holders. It's a fresher type job and there is no experience required for this job. The posts that are reopened the registration are probationary officer or management trainee, officer scale 1 and office assistant multipurpose in regional rural banks and clerk's post. Tentative dates for online application. IBPS clerk will start from 23rd October to 6th November. Regional Rural Bank Officer Scale 1 Office Assistant will start on 26th October to 9th November. IBPS Probationary Officer or Management Trainee will start on 28th October to 11th November. List of banks participating in IBPS exam are Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, and Punjab and Sindh Bank. Number of vacancies. There are 2,557 clerk posts and thousands of probationary officer and regional rural bank officer posts are available through this application. How to apply? Candidates are first required to go to the IBPS website www.ibps.in and click on the home page to open the link for respective post and then click on the options. Click here to apply online for the required post to open the online application form. Next is foreman mechanical at Ministry of Defense. This selection is through UPSC and the post under Ministry of Defense. Pay scale will be level 7, that means 44,900 to 1,42,400 plus DA. Last date of application is 12th November. Qualification is BTech with 1 year experience, and the selected candidates will be absorbed to General Center Service Group B gazetted non-ministerial. The posts are permanent. Those who are interested, log into UPSC's ORA website shown on screen for various recruitment posts. Next is Trainee Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bell Chennai Unit. Bharat Electronics Limited is a Navaratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence. Requires the above said post to personnel on contract basis for the Chennai unit, Tamil Nadu. Pay scale will be 25,000, 28,000 and 31,000 for first, second and third year of contract respectively. Experience required is 1 year and the last date for application is 30th October. Applicants are advised to go through the website www.bellindia.in and then apply through online. Next is Project Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bell Unit, Chennai. Bell is a Navaratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence. The pay scale for the post is 35,000, 40,000, 45,000 and 50,000 for first, second, third and fourth year of contract respectively. Experience required for the post is 2 years. Last date for application is 30th October. Applicants are advised to go through the website for Bell as shown on screen. Next is Technical Officer at Electronics Corporation of India. ECIL is a public sector enterprise under Department of Atomic Energy is looking for dynamic and result oriented personnel purely on fixed tenure contract basis for the period of 2 years to work at sites customer premises for the project requirements of customer support division. Salary offered for the post is 23,000 and the upper age limit is 30 years. 1 year post qualification experience is seeking. Last date for application is November 2. Applicants are required to apply online, advertisement number 29/2020, by visiting their website www.ecil.co.in by selecting careers followed by e-recruitment. Next is Short Service Commission Technical in Indian Army. This job application is already set in last week, but the last date for application is still live. So we are again saying these job opportunities. Indian Army invited applications from eligible unmarried male and female engineering graduates for grant of Short Service Commission SSC Technical. Candidates who have passed engineering degree course or are in the final year of engineering degree course are eligible to apply. This is a fresher type job, no experience is required, and salary for the post are 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus other allowances. Age limit is 20 to 27 years as on 1st April 2021. Selected candidates will be granted Short Service Commission on probation in the rank of lieutenant. Officers, male and female, shall be liable to serve for the 10 years. After 10 years, they can be opted for permanent commission or may opt for extension for service for further 4 years. Last date of application is 12th November. Applications should send through the online website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. All details are provided in the website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Next is Senior Officer Mechanical at Oil India Limited. Oil India Limited is a Navaratna public sector undertaking engaged in exploration, production and transportation of crude oil, natural gas and manufacture of LPG. Oil has operation in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Mizoram and several overseas countries also. This is a fresher type job and no experience is required for this job. Salary for the job is 60,000 to 1,80,000. Age limit is 27 years. Interested candidates may apply online through the link available on the Oil India Limited's website as shown on screen from 1st October to 30th October. Next is Junior Engineer for various ministries and departments of Government of India. Staff Selection Commission SSC will hold an open competitive examination for recruitment of junior engineers for various departments of Government of India. The posts are Group B non-gazetted post and there is no experience required for applying this post, and it's a fresher type job. So pay scale is level 6, 35,400 to 1,12,400 plus DA. Last date for application is 30th October 2020. Applications are required to be submitted in online mode only at the official website of SSC headquarters, https ssc.nic.in. Next is colliery engineer mechanical at Gujarat Power Corporation Limited. Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation Limited is a state-owned company and is a major mineral and lignite mining company of India. GMDC are invited contractual posts from suitable candidates for Ghoka Surka lignite mining project Bhavnagar. Salary will be 25,000 to 50,000. So 1 year of working experience in coal or lignite mine is required. Candidates are requested to read the instruction carefully before filling the online application by visiting website www.gpcl.gujarat.gov.in. Last date for application is 31st October. Next is Assistant Manager R&D at Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India, SPMCAL. SPMCAL is a Mini Ratna Category 1 Central Public Sector Unit wholly owned by Government of India. SPMCAL is under administrative control of Ministry of Finance. Salary offered for the post are 40,000 to 1,40,000 plus industrial DA. Candidates to go through the SPMCL website shown on screen and click on the career link and click on the option apply online. Last date for application is 18th November. That's all for the government job. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is fresher graduate engineer trainee at Uttam Strips Limited. Uttam Strips Limited is a leading manufacturer of cold rolled coils, strips and cold rolled sheets. Uttam Strips is a group company of MS Jyoti Strips Private Limited. Jyoti Strips Private Limited is engaged in trading, cutting and slitting of flat steel products. The company's product is widely used in automobile industry, bicycle industry, furniture, drums and barrels, etc. It's a fresher type job, no experience is required. A salary offered for the post is 1,75,000 to 2,25,000 per annum. Fresher engineer for the steel manufacturing industries they are seeking. Candidates must be ready to relocate at Bhiwadi. So iron and steel industry is a functional area is engineering design R&D. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID info@uttamstrips.com or can apply online through the website shown on screen. Next is HVAC trainee project engineer at Track Fujigo Air Systems Limited. Track Fujigo Air Systems LLP is a turnkey HVAC contracting company established in 1989. It is renovated for turnkey HVAC contracting works all over India. For more information, please visit their website shown on screen. Experience required for this post is 0 to 2 years and salary offered is 1 lakh to 2,50,000 per annum plus allowances. Job profile is site engineering, CHW, VRF, DX, ventilation system project, etc. Client coordination, billing, vendor management, material management, project documentation, etc. Required candidate profile is good HVAC knowledge and engineering skills, good command in English, Hindi, ready to accept the job span India, having two-wheeler with a driving license, etc. Role is mechanical engineer HVAC, heat, ventilation and air conditioning is industry type. It's a site engineering project management is function area. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID hr@trackfujico.com. Next is mechanical engineer fresher at Focus Energy Limited. Focus Energy Limited is an independent oil and gas exploration company active in the Indus Basin. Focus Energy Limited is a part of privately owned diversified business group having presence in various industries and business interests. They are primarily focusing on exploration, development, and production of oil and natural gas in India. Focus Energy has one of the largest acreage position in the Rajasthan basin, which is the region of focus. For more information, please visit their website www.focusenergy.co.in. This is a fresher type job, no experience is required. So there is 50 posts are available. Salary will be best in the industry. Job description will be candidates want to take experience in mechanical profile, they can apply immediately. Candidates can join immediately. Role is mechanical engineer fresher. Is a oil and gas type industry. It's a site engineering or project management is the function area. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID recruitment@focusoil.com and can apply through online through the website shown in screen. Next is mechanical engineer at Height Engineering Company Private Limited. Height Engineering Company Private Limited established in 1976 in Pune based manufacturing firm with a team of 700 employees. Manufacturing of CNC lathes and other special purpose machines and executing turnkey infrastructure projects all over India. For more information, visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 2 years and the salary offered are 2 lakh to 3 lakh per annum. Job description is managing site execution, mainly installation of machines supplied by Height, coordinating with the labor contracts and the client's engineer in charge for execution. Daily planning and execution schedules with the proper manpower handling is required. Proper targets or milestones should be verified and required to achieve to complete the project. Role project manager or production or manufacturing. It's a construction type job. Functional area is site engineering. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can mail your resume or CV to hr.pune@heightwheellathes.com or hr.delhi@heightwheellathes.com. That's all for the private jobs, and next is apprenticeship training. First apprenticeship training is graduate apprentices at ITI Limited, Raebareli. ITI Limited is country's premier telecom company. Is all set to take telecom and IT to together and unexplored realms. Degree apprentices, degree in electronics, electrical and mechanical engineers they are seeking. Candidates should be registered with the NATS or board. Candidates who have completed degree before 2017 are not eligible. Selection will be done on the basis of interview. Eligible candidates can apply to the post in the prescribed format available in website shown on screen and send duly filled application form by email to edcrbl@itilimited.co.in. Next is graduate apprentice at Neyveli Lignite Corporation NLC India Limited. NLC India Limited is a Navaratna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Coal. Invites online application from eligible graduate or diploma holders in engineering hailing from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka and Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, and passing during 2017, 18, 19, 2020 for 1 year apprenticeship training under the Apprentices Amendment Act 1973. Important dates. Last date for enrolling in NATS portal is November 3rd and last date for applying for NLC India is November 10. For the application, there are two-step procedure you can see in our screen. The list of candidates shortlisted certificate verification would be published at the website www.boatsrp.com under Organized Events and News section in homepage. For any clarification, candidates may contact through email tncop@boatsrp.com. That's all for this week's employment news. For the next week employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.